Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to another video. This is gonna be like an insane video. So we have, as you guys can see, all the cars over there. Literally almost the entire parking is full, and it's basically a big ass charity run. So basically what's happening is a couple of the car groups have organized a charity run for blankets, perishables, things like that, and we are out here at N1 City right now. So as you guys can see, so yeah guys, we are out here right now at N1 City. Cars are rolling up, sounding like this thing. Yes, let's check. Woo! So yeah guys, we're out here filming. I'm gonna film basically the entire day, go through everything, and it's for a good cause. So this is gonna be a sick day. So let's get into the cinematics. Yo guys, so Achilles here complaining. So yeah, we're rolling out. The guys are, as you guys can see, we're kind of in a bit of a roadblock here. But yeah, we're gonna be rolling out now. I'll be setting up like the front facing camera, and then yeah, you can see Achilles' face. She looks very, I think she's happy. Hey guys, so we're out here. We actually just dropped off the blankets over there. As you guys can see, like it's a long ass line going down. Everyone is basically here dropping off their blankets, so it's basically a like turnaround point there. Drop off the blankets and then they move on. But so yeah, we're gonna move to another location. We're probably gonna try and shoot that side as well. But yeah, it's turning out to be a really awesome day. That side, people's going insane. I'll put in a couple of clips that you guys can see. But it's hectic. The local people's antagonizing everyone that drives past to do a burnout or cut out or just lose their mind. So yeah guys, this is turning out hectic, as you guys can hear probably.